Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Scaggsville local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring 3 movers for your move is the best thing you can do because we know how well to navigate the area of Maryland and how quickly to get to your destination. We are very family with the local building layouts, the traffic in the city, and also the traffic rules and regulations. You don't have to worry about logistics when you hire us also. Our professional movers have the skills and techniques to pack your items safely and efficiently. They know how to wrap fragile items properly, disassemble furniture, and label boxes, making unpacking much more manageable at your new location. If you're planning on moving long distance to Scaggsville, Maryland, you'll need to ensure that you employ the services of a professional moving company to handle your move. You should consider hiring 3 movers for your move, as we are the best moving company to hire. Our team of professionals will ensure that your long-distance move succeeds and that everything is in tip-top shape. So if you want a successful long-distance move, all you have to do is hire us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Scaggsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.